My name is Duran Vigasaw. What does farming mean to me? Farming comes in many different ways, shapes, forms, and sizes. Farming is generations working together. Adapting to challenges and fixing them on the fly. Neighbors lending a helping hand. Being a role model to young lives. Working from sunup to sundown. Being a good multitasker. Farming is beautiful and rewarding. Farming means being a steward of the land and caring and nurturing for livestock. Lastly, feeding the world. As a young agronomist in an ever-changing industry, I'm eager and excited to see where this journey will take me.